Today I am telling you how to book the DVV appointment, Digital Population Data Service. Just go on Google and search DVV book appointment. Then click on first site, or you can note the site name also. Then select on individual, scroll down and click on book appointment. And from there you can change your language. You can do it English because always sites open in Finnish. Then choose the category, always choose the first one, or either you can note again register of foreigners personal data. Then after that you need to select location Helsinki. Then click is your wish, then click on search availability, and then you can see the available dates in green color. You can select your dates suitable for you. Then click the dates. After that you can see a form, then fill the name, date of birth, message, no need to fill that, and then scroll down and click on confirmation. That's it. You booked your appointment for DVV. But I want to tell you one thing. You book an appointment but you don't reach on time, then you will have to pay a fine of 50 euros. So always reach on the time. If you don't book an appointment, you can go early in the morning and in DVV office, but then almost you will waste your whole day in DVV office. Your turn does not come quickly because of rush the peoples. I hope this video will help you book the DVV appointment. Thank you.